Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I draw my version of the perfect winged eyeliner. So before we start, I'm going to go ahead and introduce myself. My name is JD Lee and this is Milo. I was born and raised in San Francisco, so if you're from the Bay Area, please comment Yay Area down below, or just the Bay Area is fine too. This channel is going to be about beauty, fashion, my past experiences, relationships, and just my life in general. And I'm very excited for you to come on this journey with me. So without any further ado, ladies and gents, let's get drawing. Alright guys, to perfect this look, you'll need three things. The first thing you'll need is the L'Oreal Infallible Eyeliner. I really like this because it gives you that dark, matte look, and it gives you the illusion that your eyes are a lot bigger than they really are. The second thing you'll need is also an eyeliner from L'Oreal, but this is a liquid eyeliner pencil. There you go. And I call this the finisher because it gives you that sharp look that we're trying to achieve. Alright, and the third thing you'll need are some Q-tips. Because, you know, just in case you mess up, it helps you fix it. Alright, so with the L'Oreal eyeliner pencil, we're going to start drawing from the inner corner of your eyes and then to the outer corner of your eyelid. We're going to go in like this and just lightly brush it out. And it's okay if you mess up because that's what the Q-tips are for. And I usually like to draw a thicker line because, you know, my eyes aren't that big. So when you draw a thicker line, it gives you that illusion that your eyes are a lot bigger. Okay. And then on the other side, we do the same thing. Go in from the inner corner and you slowly brush it out to the outer corner, the outer V of your eyes. Alright, like so. And then we're gonna use liquid eyeliner to sharpen that look. So I usually go from the outer V of my eye and just brush it in ever so lightly. Like this. Kind of like this. And with the Q-tips, I like to just line everything up. Clean up. Here and right here. Sometimes I like to make it a little thicker on the side. Just like this. I messed up a little right here in the corner, so I just have to do this. Okay, so I'm done with the winged part, and I usually like to go back with the eyeliner pencil to draw over it, just because I don't really like that shiny look. I want to get that matte look on my eyes. Alright, so there you have it. This is my version of the perfect winged eyeliner look. And another thing I really like to do is to make your eyes look even bigger, I like to go in with some eyebrow powder. And I like to go in from under my eyes to make it look bigger, like so. Who doesn't want bigger eyes? And then I'm gonna do the same on the other side. This. Just like that. And I like to just clean it up a little bit with a Q-tip. Now you have the perfect winged eyeliner for your everyday look. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you guys liked it. If you did, please hit the thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys here next week. Thank you. Bye.